You guys, it has been a little while, but we are back, and we are back for a special reason because I'm going to bring you guys with me on a wonderful brand trip with one of my favorite brands ever. And I use them every single day. It is probably definitely in my top 3. We are going on a brand trip to Joshua Tree on a wellness extravaganza with trace minerals. So we're gonna do a little vloggy of my whole trip. I'm at home right now, fully packed. The bag is right here. Y'all see the bag? We're packed. We're about to catch an Uber to the office, go to the office, and then we're all gonna take a vehicle together to Joshua Tree. So come on, let's go to Joshua Tree. See y'all there. We've arrived. All right, y'all, we are at our location. This is my little Airstream. She's so cute. We have all of our little trace supplements and goodies. This is the bathroom. Cute. Cool little shower. And then we have some goodies, snacks and such, beauty products. And then we have the bedroom. Cute. We have some cute little trace products, hat, little bag, and some Gymshark goodies. Cute little TV. This is my new home for the next couple of days. Well, 2 days. So right now we're going to have our dinner. We have an all denim dinner. So I'm about to get ready for that. And then I'm gonna refresh myself, get presentable because we were on the road for like three hours. Okay, 3 hours. Pooped. Outfit for tonight, denim on denim. This is what we're wearing. So dinner is all denim dinner. So I'm just gonna freshen up my makeup and go. But we made it. The bus ride was like 3 hours long, super long, low key. But that's okay. We have our dinner tonight with the team, and then I think we're doing mocktails and s'mores and probably just getting more content. I don't know anybody on the trip. I was like, oh, maybe I'm gonna know somebody. I don't know a soul, but that's okay. We'll meet some new friends, socialize, and have a time. I feel like because I've been so aware of rattlesnakes on Instagram, I'm like, I'm looking out for rattlesnakes and all the things because we're in the desert. We're in the desert, in the middle of nowhere. I did not sleep on that ride. I was like, ooh, we are in the middle of nowhere. I gotta redo my makeup. Alright, y'all. I had to take my makeup off because something on my face was peeling. And then now that I think about it, I definitely used tretinoin last night, so that's probably what was peeling. Or it was my SPF. Sometimes SPFs do not go well with makeup. I don't know what that is, but we are starting all over from scratch. I use the Tatcha replenishing, what is this, the dewy skin. So if I am peeling, at least that's gonna like really hydrate my skin. So we're just gonna do that. Make sure my brows are on point. I'm just gonna make sure my makeup looks good because I really don't have time for all the extras. I'm gonna come back and take like a really nice bubbly shower. Cute.
That's supposed to help, right? No. Well, do you eat a balanced diet? Yeah, I'm pretty good. Now you are, yeah. No, I'm not.
Period.
It's too long. I'm gonna hit somebody.
Alright guys, I am finally back in my little Airstream. We had dinner and we did astrology. That was actually really cool. She was very spot on with all of my astrology, from my moon, my rising, just all the things. I mean, I gave her my birthplace and my birth time and my birth date, but she was like spot on with like personality and how I show up in the world. She was spot on. And then for dinner we had pastas and salad and pizza. I didn't really eat much because I just don't really like a lot of those things. So but yeah, I'm back in my little Airstream, which one, I will say it's convenient. There's tons of little plugins in here, and there's plugins and then there's light switches. So like I'm in bed right now and you just hit like little light switches all throughout here. The shower was really hot. There's a microwave, there's a refrigerator. It's literally like people can live in these little spaces, which I think is so cool because you can just travel all over the world, and they're like a little retro way of living. It's so cute. But I'm going to try and get some rest because tomorrow morning I'm going to wake up around 6, and then we have breakfast between 8 and 10, and then we go on our hike at 10 a.m. So I'm about to try and sleep. I know I'm tired, but I have always like a hard time falling asleep in places that I don't know. And yeah, I'm just in the middle of the desert, and you know, I'm in the middle of the desert and I'm by myself, but also surrounded by other people. So all of the people, there's probably like 8 to 10 of us influencers, and we all have our own little Airstream. There's probably like 20 to 30 Airstreams in this little like desert area. It just looks like a bunch of little like silver balls. silver little like round bullets literally in the desert. But I'm gonna try and watch some Netflix. I have my laptop with me and try and watch some things, but good night, y'all. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. We are outside my little airstream. I woke up this morning at 6, hopped into the stock market. I'm about to get ready for the day because we're gonna go to breakfast where I had dinner at last night at the Air Dome, I believe. Something dome, at the dome, and then we're going on a hike today at Joshua Tree. So let's get ready for the day. I slept like shit, I'm not gonna lie. I did not sleep well. One, I don't sleep well in places that I'm not familiar with, and then two, I was freezing. And they were warning me about the desert being cold, but like I was fucking freezing. So, and then they gave us Gymshark outfits to get changed into, so I'm gonna change into that. So let's go on an adventure. All right, you guys, we are getting ready for, I'm gonna take some pictures. This is the new Oner Active. I'll show you guys outside. This is the new collection that they're dropping on May 20th. So tomorrow, Wednesday, this probably will already be out. Well, no, this probably will already have been dropped. But I'm gonna take some pictures in it because it's so cute out here. And then I'm gonna change into the outfit that they gave me, which is like a Gymshark outfit, and then go have breakfast and then get ready for the hike. Putting a shit ton of sunscreen on because we're gonna be outside all day. We're doing a sound bath, a hike at Joshua Tree, so I need to make sure my skin is protected. I'm not playing about my skin. I love this blush CL. It has SPF in it. It's literally the best invention. And it's dry too, because a lot of SPF blushes are cream based, but I feel like powders do best for my skin so I don't break out. This is the new Oner Active, the freeze, the shirt. Now I'm about to change. I have my Trace Mineral Electrolytes. This is Trace. I'm gonna put it in my water bottle before I go to breakfast. Then we go on our hike. All right, you guys, we are about to go on our little hike. Hi, good morning. We just got back from hiking. This is lunch. We have salmon salad, and then let's see. Actually, this is the salmon Buddha bowl, gluten-free brown rice, carrots, scallions, sweet potatoes, garlic, olive oil, onions, chili, tamari, tahini, and sesame oil. So, sounds good. I'm gonna eat this. I'm charging my phone. And yeah, we're relaxing until we have our sound bath at 2:30, and I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm probably gonna go to sleep during the sound bath because I did not sleep well last night. So yeah, and then we come back here. We have 3 hours to chill from 3 until 6:30, and I'm gonna definitely relax, get ready, and then we have dinner off property. So yeah. OOTD. This is my outfit for the night. I have my little McNew bag. This fit is from Fashion Nova. I feel like these colors go well in like the desert vibe. My little back's out. I just did a slick bun because it's windy and I don't want my curls blowing everywhere. So we're about to go to dinner. I did a little beat on the face. So let's go. Hello. Good, how are you? Look who decided to wake me up this morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Hang on, hang on. Alright, you guys, I'm closing out my vlog. I had such a cute trip in Joshua Tree with Trace Minerals. Honestly, I love this opportunity to be able to be on a wellness retreat with people that actually like align with my brand, and I'm not forcing myself to go on a brand trip. But I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to go home too. This was such like a lovely work trip, and I'm so blessed to be able to have these opportunities. I feel like if anything, if this is something that you've been manifesting for your life, to go on brand trips, keep posting, keep being authentic to yourself. Don't shrink yourself into a mold to fit for brands. Just keep being yourself and show up the way that you want to show up, and it'll align for you. But I hope everybody enjoyed watching this video, and I'll be back with another video. Bye, guys.